स्टूडेंट, इंडियन बैंकिंग सिस्टम में टॉपिक चल रहा है आपका फंक्शंस ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक, यानी आरबीआई के फंक्शंस, जिसमें हमने कल सेंट्रल बैंकिंग फंक्शंस के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। आज इसके सुपरवाइजरी फंक्शंस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। देखिए, इन ऑर्डर टू प्रमोट एंड डेवलप ए साउंड एंड एफिशिएंट सिस्टम ऑफ बैंकिंग इन इंडिया, the Reserve Bank has been given several supervisory powers over different banking institutions. These powers relate to licensing and establishment, branch expansion, liquidity of assets, management, working amalgamation, reconstruction, and liquidation of commercial and cooperative banks. Reserve Bank carries out periodical inspection of these banks and calls for such information which it considers inspection of these banks and calls for the such information which it considers necessary for effective performance of its functions. The various powers vested in the RBI are as follows, such as number 1, provide license. देखिए, सुपरवाइजरी फंक्शंस क्या हैं आरबीआई के। ये लाइसेंस प्रोवाइड करती है कोई भी बैंक न्यू ब्रांच को जब ओपन करती है तब। एवरी बैंक विशिंग टू commence banking business in India is required to obtain a license from the Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank, after being satisfied that it will be a position to pay claims of the deposits as and when they accrue, and that its affairs are being conducted in a manner not detrimental to interest of its depositors, will grant the license to the bank to commence banking business in India. Number 2, student, coverage of bank operations. It means to ensure that banks are organized and conduct their business on sound financial footings of the banking. Regulation Act has prescribed the minimum paid up capital, reserves, cash reserve, and other liquid asset depending upon the geographical coverage of a bank operation. RBI is to see the fulfillment of these requirements. Number 3, liquidation of weak banks. It means to strengthen the commercial banking structure in the country. The RBI is empowered to order the compulsory liquidation of weak banks or their merger with the stronger one. It is empowered to inspect, make any inquiry, and may take necessary action in order to improve the operational efficiency of the bank. It may also order for the suspension of business. Next, number 4, branch expansion. Every bank in the country is required to obtain permission from the RBI for its branch expansion program. The RBI can also direct a bank to open branches in a particular area, especially in small towns and rural areas so as to improve the geographical coverage. Number 5. Issue directions on credit control. It means to improve the functional coverage of bank in order to improve the sectorial distribution of bank credit in favor of the priority sectors such as जैसे एग्रीकल्चर, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज, लघु उद्योग, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड पर्सन एक्सेट्रा एंड मेक मोर ऑफ इट टू द स्मॉल borrowers. The RBI can issue directions to commercial bank through its credit control measures. Student, number 6. Training of bank personnel. The RBI has arranged for the education and training of different categories of bank personnel by setting up a number of training institutes in the country. The principal training institutes are Bankers Training College Mumbai, in the National Institute of the Bank Management Mumbai, the Cooperative Bankers Training College Pune, the College of Agriculture Banking ये भी पुणे में है, स्टाफ ट्रेनिंग कॉलेज चेन्नई एंड जोनल ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स फॉर स्टाफ एट मुंबई, कैलकाटा, चेन्नई एंड न्यू दिल्ली. स्टूडेंट नंबर 7 देखिए, रेस्ट्रिक्ट लोन्स एंड एडवांसेस. इट मीन्स बाय एन अमेंडमेंट इफेक्टिव फ्रॉम February 1, 1964, the RBI is empowered to restrain control exercised by particular groups of persons over the affairs of bank and to restrict loans and advances as well as guarantee given by the bank to and on behalf of any company, firm and association of persons or individual. The act endorsed greater power to the RBI in the matters of appointment and removal of banks executive personnel. Question number 8. Collect and supply information. RBI द्वारा जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है उनको कलेक्ट किया जाता है और फिर उनको अमल में लाया जाता है, उनको सप्लाई किया जाता है. जैसे कि the Reserve Bank of India has been empowered to collect information in regard to credit facilities advanced by the bank and other financial institutions to their constituents and to supply these banks and institutions such information on application in a consolidated forms. Next or last, spreading banking habits. It means in order to inspire greater public confidence and spread thereby banking habits in the country, especially the lower section of the society, the RBI has set up a deposit insurance corporation in 1962 as a subsidiary of the RBI. In later year, the scheme of deposit insurance was extended to a cooperative and regional rural banks. The amount eligible for insurance cover has been revised from time to time. On July 1, 1980, it was fixed at 30,000 for each depositor in each bank. When the nationalization of major commercial bank in India, 14 July 1969 and 6 July April 1980, the Reserve Bank of India has been in a position to exercise better control over commercial bank. In recent years, with the establishment of regional rural banks, the banking system in India has made a commendable progress both functionally and geographically because it is new easier for the RBI to steer and direct the growth of banks in desired directions. स्टूडेंट, ये आज हमने इस टॉपिक में डिस्कस किए सुपरवाइजर फंक्शंस जैसे कि आपके प्रोवाइड लाइसेंस, कवरेज ऑफ बैंक ऑपरेशंस, लिक्विडेशन ऑफ बिग बैंक्स, ब्रांच एक्सपेंशन, इश्यू डायरेक्शन ऑन क्रेडिट कंट्रोल and training of bank personnel and restrict loans and advances, collect and supply information or last spreading banking system. स्टूडेंट, इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे, इसकी लास्ट फंक्शन होगा प्रमोशनल बैंकिंग के फंक्शन से आरबीआई के रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के प्रमोशनल फंक्शंस, जिससे जो इससे रिलेटेड हैं, जैसे आरआरबीज़ हैं, नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक हैं और आपके एक्जिम बैंक हैं, बिल मार्केट स्कीम हैं और जो फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, इन सभी को प्रमोट करना। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।